Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
I know you are preparing for your training this afternoon, but I'll just take 10 minutes of your time. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Before we start, I want you to stand up. Can you please stand up? Stand up, class. We have to breathe in. Okay, breathe in, out. In, out. Okay. When you breathe in, what is going in? Air, thank you. Air is going in. There's two types of air. Oxygen or carbon dioxide. Which one is going inside? Oxygen. Thank you. Oxygen is going inside and carbon dioxide is where? Going out?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, today we are going to learn something about our body. Remember, it's very interesting if you are going to listen. So you have to listen. Is it clear? Okay, today we are going to sing this song. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. 2, 3. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Thank you. Give us a clap. Now. Okay. Today we were learning about the parts of the body. But listen, that part of the body is outside. You can see from outside. What were we singing? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. But today we are going to look inside our body. And inside our body we have the what? Anyone knows whatever is inside our body?
Heart.
Heart? Thank you. We have the heart. What else? Come again?
The blood.
Blood? Not the blood. We have the blood. We have the lungs. Thank you. Okay. Today, Madam is going to introduce one new topic, and that is the respiratory system. It's kind of a hard word, Okay, let's say it together. Respiratory system.
Respiratory system.
Okay, when you look on the board, what can you see?
Drawing.
Yes, it's a drawing. A drawing of a what? Human. Okay, look at me. This is you, or this is me. So, look here. This is our body, and this is whatever is inside our body. Today we're just going to look at the respiratory system. Where can we find the respiratory system? Thank you. You can speak up, because Madam is kind of deaf. It's a respiratory system. It's inside the what?
Our body.
It's inside our body. Okay, class. The respiratory system, it has a lot of parts inside. There's a lot of parts. What can you see?
Heart.
You can see the heart. Where's the heart?
Lungs.
Yes, you can see the lungs. What else?
Nose.
Okay, this is the respiratory system. It is a very important system in our body. Very important. Why? Because it is where our breathing starts. It starts from the nose. Where's the nose? Your nose. The nose is just what is outside, But what goes inside, it's the what? The air goes inside, and this is like a pipe, It's like a pipe, It goes through the pipe, and this pipe, these individual organs in our body, it has different functions, And look at this pipe, it goes straight down, and all of these pipes, it has names, Like you sitting here, you have a name. Also in our lungs inside, we have also the names. Okay, first of all, the air comes through the what?
Nose.
The nose. When it goes through the nose, it comes down to the what? This is one tube going down. When the tube goes down, it goes to the what? Pharynx. Okay. Before we go through this diagram, we have to know the words first. It's important for you to know the words. First, we have the what?
Pharynx.
Yeah, before the pharynx we have the what?
Nose.
The nose. Yeah, we have the nose. The nose and the nasal cavities. And nasal cavities. Nasal cavities. You are in year 7, it'll be easy for you. And the next one is the what? Pharynx. Say it together, pharynx.
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 Okay, look at the pharynx. This is the spelling of the pharynx. The spelling is tricky, eh? Pharynx. Say it together.
Pharynx.
Pharynx. And next one, we have the what?
Larynx.
Huh?
Larynx.
Larynx. The what?
Larynx.
Larynx. Look at the spelling. Look at the spelling. Larynx. Next one, we have the downpipe. What's called?
Trachea.
It's a trachea. Together?
Trachea.
Trachea.
Trachea. Is 7. We
Trachea.
have learned this last week. After the trachea, we have the what?
Alveoli.
Okay. Before that, we have this.
Bronchi.
Yes. What is it?
Bronchi.
Bronchi. What is a bronchi? Do you know what's a bronchi?
No.
Okay. Today we are going to learn what's a bronchi. Then after bronchi, we also
Lungs.
have the. Look at the lungs. This is the lungs. Eh? We have the lungs, and in the we also have the what? Alveoli. Together.
Alveoli.
Alveoli. Okay. After the alveoli, there's one thing here. What's this?
The
The
diaphragm.
diaphragm. Eh? The last one, we have the what?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Okay. The spellings are very tricky, eh?
Yes.
And the diaphragm. Okay. So today, before we move on, you should learn one fun fact about the respiratory system. Do you want to know?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to know one fun fact? Okay. One fun fact is that when you sing, do you have to sing? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, and no, I love singing, eh?
No, no.
Okay. Oh, okay. Therefore, you don't like singing. Okay, but when you sing, listen, or when you play one wind instrument, any instrument that you use to blow, or it helps improve your lung function and the capacity. So whenever you sing, you are making your lungs what?
Exercise.
Exercise. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
Can we use the flute?
Yes, good girl. That's an air what? Air or wind instrument. Eh? When you are blowing, okay, breathe in, out. Okay, sing. Good, good. Thank you. You are what? What are you doing with your lungs? You are exercising your lungs, eh? And that will help you with your breathing, eh? Okay. So now, how many parts are there in this respiratory system? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. How many are there?
8.
There are 8 very important parts that makes up the what? Respiratory system. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the duties, eh? Whatever they are going to do, these parts, their work. What do we do inside our body? First of all, we're learning about the what? The nose. The nose and the nasal cavities here. This is what they do. They help filter, warm the air as it enters the body. Breathe in. What is going inside? The air. So the function of the nose, it helps to filter and warm the air as it enters the body. Okay? Now you understand? That's the function of the nose. Then it moves down. From there, it moves down to the what? Pharynx. Say it together. Pharynx.
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 The pharynx, it
Pharynx.
serves as a passage. This is a passage for both air and food. So it plays an important part. What is it?
Show me.
Yes? Don't know?
The end food.
The end. It passes through this one. This
The
passage.
passage.
Okay. So after it passes from the pharynx, it goes right through the what?
Larynx.
The larynx. Here, the larynx is responsible for producing sound and protecting the airway. Can you make a sound? What is responsible for sound?
Larynx.
Larynx. So you should know that larynx is responsible for that what? For that sound. When it moves down, we come through what?
Trachea.
Trachea. The trachea, it is the long tube. This long tube is also known as the what?
Windpipe.
As the windpipe. And this windpipe is what? It takes down the what?
The air.
The air. It takes it down to the what?
Air.
To the lungs.
To the lungs.
Okay. From the trachea, then we'll move down to the what?
Bronchi.
Bronchi. So these are the bronchi here. The main air passage that leads into the lungs. Look at these two. These are the what? Bronchi. These two. So these two bronchi, they are the main air passage. The air comes here and then it goes through this two. That leads into the lungs. And in the bronchi, we also have the lungs. This is the what? The lungs. Okay. The lungs is where the oxygen is exchanged for carbon dioxide in the bloodstream. Okay. So what is happening there?
The oxygen is
Change.
exchanged for
Okay.
carbon dioxide in the bloodstream.
Thank you. Now you understood. Okay. From there, as you can see, there are some small what? Can you see them?
Alveoli.
Like the grapes.
Yes, it's like the grapes, Okay, alveoli, they are the tiny air sacs within the lungs where the actual gas exchange takes place. So after this class, I'm going to take you, you'll watch one video. I'll provide one video. You'll watch it so that you can understand what is happening inside the lungs. So now we move on. And the last one, we have the diaphragm. Okay, if you touch this part, we have the what here?
Diaphragm.
That's the diaphragm. Okay, the diaphragm is the muscles, excuse me, a muscle beneath the lungs that contracts and relax to facilitate breathing. To facilitate what? Breathing. It moves downward during inhalation. Inhale. And upwards during exhale. Exhale. What goes down? Yes. Okay. Now, anyone has any question? So I know you have understood. Yes, ma'am.
Madam, I want to ask a question. What is that drawing that has the black marks on it? Is it the veins?
This is just a drawing to indicate that this is a windpipe.
Okay.
But when we are going to watch the video, then you understand more clearly. We're just doing it so that you can see it's just like a windpipe.
Okay.
Thank you for listening, and I hope you have understood whatever is happening in our respiratory system. Thank you.
Naka.
Gonna give Anduli Bango,